What's good? What's good? It's J Will back with another video. I'm sorry I made my video kind of late today. As you can see, I'm on the Xbox playing NBA 2K. You can add me on Xbox if you want to at jwiltv. But let's look at these results for today. All right, I just logged into Bing Ads, and today I have 18 clicks out of 91 impressions. 19% click-through rate was really good. Average cost per click is $5.77. I spent $103. Average position 2.6. Head over to Digistore and see how much we made today. Okay. So today, January 27, 2021, 2 p.m. We made about 115 bucks today. My ad is done and running for the day. My ad budget was about 100 bucks. So we take 115 minus 103. 115 minus 103. Only made $12 today, you guys. So as you can see with this affiliate marketing, you can either make a lot of money in one day, you can make a few dollars, or you can break even. Nothing wrong with that. So far this week, we still sitting in profit. So tomorrow we're gonna see what the results is. So in the meanwhile, just like, subscribe, comment, add me on Instagram at jwiltv2. And you guys have a nice day.